Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue and is your WhatsApp backup stuck on iCloud, iPhone or Google Drive. So don't worry, in this video, I will give you the guide you step by step to fix WhatsApp backup not completing issue. So how you can do that? In this tutorial, I will give you all the steps you have to do that and just follow all the steps to fix your issue. As you know that when you just go to the WhatsApp and just go to the settings section, just like that, and just go to the chat section and just tap on a chat backup, and just here you just tap on a backup, and they think that you cannot completing issue and getting the issues, and your chats cannot backup in your Android and also in your iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just go back and this is go to the settings of the iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. As you know that you need a strong internet connection during that process, so it can back up your data. So have you make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and also go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go and scroll down and just go to the iPhone storage and just scroll it down and just go to the WhatsApp again WhatsApp, and it's saying that you cannot delete the WhatsApp in here in that section, and you cannot delete the WhatsApp and not the offload app. So basically because when you just offload the app, they can delete all the storages, all the chats. So that option is not available right now. So how you can do that? Simply just go to WhatsApp again and just go to the chats of your chats, your storage, your sorry for that, you just go storage and data. So many users issuing because they have too much storage in the WhatsApp and they're getting a problem. So you have to just manage your storage and just remove raw data from your WhatsApp. Just like that, I have a 3.98 GB data in my WhatsApp. So in that sections, so I have too much raw data, so I'm gonna delete just like that a larger MB. So I'm gonna delete all that. So after deleting the raw data, so you just have to just go back and just power off your iPhone. Just pressing the power button and the volume button. After do that, you just power off your iPhone and again on it. After on your iPhone, simply just go to the WhatsApp and just try it again. So make sure that also, and after that you have to make sure that when you just going to the backup of your chats, just like that, when I'm going to the chats for the backup, just like that, and you have to make sure that you just have just like that Gmail which have a storage space. Just like that, I'm gonna select that email which don't have any storage, and just like that, I have an email which have completely full of 50 GB. So make sure that you just select that Gmail which have a free of space of 15 GB to 20 GB. So make sure that you just select that Gmail. So that's why many users don't getting a backup of the chats in the WhatsApp. So make sure that you just select that Gmail. So in this video, I'm gonna tell all the steps you have to follow to fix your issue. So this is the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.